If your thumbnails look like this, your video is already dead. Even if the video is amazing, you edit for hours. You upload, you wait, and nothing happens. That's not bad luck. That's a bad thumbnail. Look at these. Be honest, you didn't read the title first. You didn't analyze these, you just reacted. Here's the mistake everyone makes. They try to make thumbnails that explain everything. Pros do the opposite. They hide information on purpose. Your thumbnail has one job: not to be pretty, not to be detailed. Its job is to make someone stop and think, wait, what? In this video, I'll show you a tool that can create thumbnails like top YouTubers, the kind that stop people mid-scroll. No design skills, no complicated setup, just thumbnails that get clicked. Go to Supabix and click Create Your Thumbnail. Here you'll see 5 features: text to thumbnail, multi-image edit, recreate, face swap, and edits. We'll start with recreate. Here's how I recreated a MrBeast thumbnail I liked. I copied the link of the thumbnail, pasted it into the tool, clicked Fetch Thumbnail, then use this image. From here you can choose whether you want the creativity level to be high or low. Low creativity lightly enhances the original design. High creativity makes strong, eye-catching changes without completely losing the original look and feel. And you can also select the style you want: default, realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with default style. Click Generate, and you instantly get your recreated MrBeast style thumbnail. Next, let's move to face swap. Let's say I want to replace Ronaldo's face with MrBeast's. Upload the thumbnail, select MrBeast's face, click Save and Continue, then upload Ronaldo's face. Click Generate, and you get your thumbnail with Ronaldo's face swapped in perfectly. Now let's move to text to thumbnail. You can either write a detailed prompt yourself or get a prompt from an AI tool like ChatGPT. Give your prompt to Supabix, pick the aspect ratio, a 16:9 landscape, 9:16 portrait, 1:1 square, or a 4:5 portrait classic layout. Since we're making a YouTube thumbnail, we'll go with the 16:9 landscape option. Then select your style: realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with the realistic style. Click Generate and watch it bring your idea to life. Here's the prompt that created this thumbnail. Next, let's go to edits. Let's say I want to change the scene from day to night and add a helicopter with a spotlight shining on the people. I upload the thumbnail, describe the changes I want, and Supabix applies them accurately and cleanly. Finally, we go to the multi-image edit feature. Upload your target image, then upload the reference image, describe how you want them merged, and the tool blends them seamlessly and perfectly. That's what most people miss about thumbnails. It's not about being a designer. It's about having the right idea and the right tool to bring it to life. This is where the right tool changes everything. It takes the idea in your head and turns it into something people can't ignore. That's when thumbnails stop being a struggle and start becoming an advantage.